Hello everyone! Start off by taking a section of the hair from one of the sides and then tie a knot out of it. Right underneath it, take another section of the hair, put it between the fingers and then pull through the initial section. Continue to do this until you reach the back. Once you reach the back, begin to take the section, move from the bottom as you move on. Add a clip in the center. Now proceed to do the same process. Once you have gotten both sides together, join it at the back as such and then add a rubber band to it. Now take all of the sections that you have taken out and left out and then join them together, intercross them and tie a rubber band. Next, start off by taking multiple strands of hair, arrange them in different circular shapes as such and then tie them up as such. Add a rubber band to it. Do this by using your fingers, separate them as such, pull it out ever so slightly section by section and then arrange it and then tie a rubber band. Once again repeating the process, take your fingers, pull it out ever so slightly by section and then fold it and then tie it up in place. Now it should look like the back of a peacock. Then arrange it as such. Once you are done with it, this is what it should look like. Next, start off by taking one section by one section, fold it up and then insert it into the bun using multiple bobby pins as such. Bend it and leave it curved as such. Then, after you have done this and reach the center, make one loop in the center as well. After this, begin to do the same on the other side as well. Take a small section, start off with the wide end and then move outwards inwards. That is, move outwards and then move towards the inside. Continue to do this and fill all of the gap. Add more layers if you would like to. This will make it look all the more better. Wrap it all around your puffed bun. Next, start off by taking a section of the top front of the hair and then take another section from this. Make a braid out of it and then pull out one of the sections of the hair from one of the sides and then pin it up as such. Now take another section from the initial section that you have created and repeat the step where you make a braid and then loosen out the right side of it. Add a clip to it. Make sure that you add a clip to each of the sections as such. Now, once you are done with this, tie a rubber band at the bottom and remove each of the clips. The clips were used so that it stays in this position. Now, once you have done this 3 times, roll it around in layers and then loosen the outermost layer to make it look like a flower and add a pin in the center. Next, start off by tying a really high ponytail right at the top. Add 2 rubber bands to it. Now, make one section from it and then puff it out slightly. Now, taking the section in the front, make a little bend, curve it, and then add a rubber band to it and then pin it up in the sides and then at the top accordingly. Now, for the center portion of it, braid it and then, after braiding it, loosen the right side of it and then begin to roll it at the top in the center. Pin it up and then take one portion from the center, roll it up and once again attach pins and let it be. Leave the 2 bends in the side as well. Next, start off by tying a very high ponytail and tie 2 rubber bands to it. Then section out the hair in the ponytail into the front portion and the back portion. Taking the back portion, make a puffed up bun at the back. Now taking the front portion, make multiple divisions out of it as such and then taking each section, bend it, fold it and then tie a rubber band in the middle of it. This is what it should look like. Now arrange it in the circle. Now after this, take the excess hair that is left over after bending it and make braids out of it. After you have made your braids, roll it up and out to make it look like a flower. This is the final look. Thank you for watching.